So creating viral YouTube shorts involves a combination of creativity, strategy, and timing. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you make YouTube shorts that have the potential to go viral. 1. Understand the YouTube Shorts format. YouTube Shorts are short-form vertical videos, usually under 60 seconds, and they are designed for mobile viewing, so make sure your content is visually engaging and easily digestible. 2. Identify trending topics. Keep an eye on trending topics within your niche or on a broader scale, with leverage popular challenges, memes, or trends to increase the discoverability of your shorts. 3. Create attention-grabbing thumbnails. Thumbnails are crucial for attracting clicks. Design thumbnails that are colorful, bold, and clearly represent the content of your shorts. So make sure the thumbnail is visually appealing, even at a smaller size. 4. Engage viewers quickly. Capture viewers' attention in the first few seconds. The faster you grab their interest, the more likely they'll keep watching. So use compelling visuals or an intriguing hook to entice viewers to watch until the end. 5. Optimize title and description. Craft a short, compelling title that sparks curiosity. So write a concise and interesting description with relevant keywords to improve searchability. 6. Include popular music or sounds. Utilize popular or trending music and sounds in your shorts. This can increase the likelihood of your video being discovered in searches or on the shorts shelf. 7. Hashtags. Incorporate relevant and popular hashtags in your video description to enhance discoverability. So, use a mix of broad and niche hashtags to reach a wider audience. 8. Experiment with styles and editing. Play around with different video styles, effects, and editing techniques to make your content visually appealing. So keep it dynamic and engaging to stand out in the crowded shorts feed. We will discuss about this interest website for YouTube Shorts for your creativity. So Submagic offers a wide range of features that can take your videos to the next level. Let's see how Submagic actually works. Once you sign up for Submagic using your Google account, you can easily upload your video and utilize the editing tools provided by Submagic to refine your content. The process is simple and intuitive, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced creators. So Submagic is perfect for content creators looking to elevate their videos on platforms like TikTok and Reels. It's also ideal for businesses seeking to enhance their video marketing efforts and increase viewer engagement. By using Submagic, you can save time and automate the process of caption generation, emoji addition, and keyword highlighting. This allows you to focus on creating high-quality content, while Submagic takes care of the rest. Then let's talk about the step 9. Consistency is key. Post regularly to stay relevant and engage your audience. So consistency in style and content can help build a recognizable brand for your shorts. 10. Promote on other platforms. Share your shorts on other social media platforms to increase visibility. So cross-promote with creators in your niche to reach a broader audience. 11. Encourage engagement. Prompt viewers to like, comment, and share your shorts. So respond to comments to foster a sense of community around your content. So let's talk about another interesting tool for your shorts, which is Spike Studio. Offers a range of powerful features that can transform your long videos into captivating and shareable clips. Here are some of the key features provided by Spike Studio. 1. Source quality assurance. Spike Studio ensures that the quality of your original video is maintained during the repurposing process. This means that your clips will retain the same level of visual and audio excellence as the source material. 2. Support. Spike Studio understands the importance of timely assistance. They provide round-the-clock support to address any queries or issues you may encounter while using their platform. So now that we've explored the features, let's see how Spike Studio actually works. Once you sign up for an account, you can easily upload your long video to the platform. Spike Studio's intuitive interface allows you to select the desired sections, trim the video, and apply various editing options to create shorter, attention-grabbing clips. So continue into the other steps. 12. Timing matters. Pay attention to when your target audience is most active on YouTube. So, post your shorts during peak hours to maximize visibility. 13. Analytics and learn. Regularly check YouTube Analytics to understand what works and what doesn't. So adapt your content strategy based on the performance of your previous shorts. And remember, creating viral content involves a mix of creativity, timing, and a bit of luck. Experiment with different ideas. Stay informed about trends and be persistent in refining your approach.